Hey you all, thanks for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So I wanted to tell you about this free Thanksgiving dinner that you can get through the Ibotta app. And so it's pretty simple. They're going to basically give you all the sides, and the sides you can just get, like you get the pop, turkey gravy, mashed potatoes, stuffing, French fried onions, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, cranberry jelly, and Jiffy corn muffin mix. Alright, so you get that if you join the Ibotta app. However, if you refer a friend, you can get a turkey that costs up to $15 for free. Alright, and so let me see, I'm reading this again. You'll get your $15 turkey offer when they download the app. So it says invite a friend. They use your referral code. That's mine right there. QLSFBVX. That's mine. And so then you get a $15 turkey, and that's it. So I've been using the Ibotta app for almost a year now. I was introduced to it when I saw that they had a free turkey dinner last year. However, I did it kind of late, almost towards the end of the event. Alright, so because I was so late in doing the coupon code, I was able to get the turkey, but not all the sides. And so it was like $2 or $3 shy of the $20. Now, what ended up happening was they said I had to earn the money another way. But I wrote to the company, and when I did, they went ahead and they comped me the couple of dollars. So I was able to reach the $20 mark and get all of my money back. Plus, I got a couple extra dollars. And so for me, Ibotta has been a pretty good company. I've had her people say a few things, but I've not had those issues. I've had a few issues, but as soon as I write them, they take care of it like that. Not a problem. So altogether, on Ibotta's app, I'm trying to get my account here. My lifetime earnings, and this is like within a year, just doing my regular shopping, $159.54. So that's not bad at all. And right now I have $41.77 on the table. And so when I was talking about the $20, basically you have to have at least $20 for your current earnings to withdraw it. Alright, and so you have different ways you can withdraw. You can either get gift cards, or have it sent to your PayPal. There are other ways you can do it, like a bank account. It's up to you. I just do either the gift cards or the PayPal because I don't want them to have my banking information, and that's just my personal thing. So I'm hoping nothing personal. So yeah, so here are the gift cards you can get: Ace Hardware, Adidas, movie theater. And I'm sure this would be regional because not every place has AMC theaters. Most people have Amazon available to them. What was that Apple one? Oh, it was Apple. Alright, and so you can get gift cards, Bed Bath & Body Works, Pro Bath. So, hey, look, Burger King. There's some of these things I didn't even know were on here. So, yeah, so it's a pretty good deal. It's worked out for me. So I'm going to put my referral number in the description if you guys want to do that, so I can get a free turkey, and you can get a free turkey when you refer your friends. You get a free Thanksgiving meal.
All right, one more thing before you leave.
I will be having a video come out tomorrow about preparing Thanksgiving. So if you're new at it, this will be a great tutorial for you. If you're an old hat or you've done Thanksgiving before, you may learn a new trick or two. Who knows? So make sure to join me tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Like this video. Stick around, watch more videos, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, and make sure to check out that Ibotta app. All right, take care, y'all.